to complete this three-part relay race. My partner is Zach Galangelo from Canada.
And my partner is Tammy Tarbazinski from Buffalo, New York. Now what we're doing is we need to run to the other end of the studio without dropping this beach ball that's between us. If we drop the ball, we have to stay where we are, put the ball back, but we're not going to do that. We're going to have this ball.
Yep, that's right. Next, we will have the inner tube stack. One of us will toss the inner tubes to our partner, isn't this nice the way we're rocking each other? Yeah. And the other partner has to catch the inner tubes with their body. Once all 5 inner tubes are stacked, we leave the tubes and run for the last challenge.
And the last challenge is wet and wild. And apparently messy. Why they gave you guys ponchos? They gave us nothing.
They don't care about us.
They don't care. One of us will use a cup to pour water over our head and into the cup of our partner. The water caught will then be dumped into a cylinder. Whichever team overflows their cylinder first wins.
The audience member on the winning team wins $500 cash! On your mark. Get set. Go. They cheated! $500!
Monday on Live from Watch What Happens Live, Andy Cohen.